Hello, this is Ralph Broussard, a qualified DOT SAP provider answering the question, how long does the SAP Return-to-Duty Program take? This question is not easy to answer because your SAP provider has to do a substance abuse professional evaluation that is a clinical assessment. We do this evaluation based on the American Society of Addiction Medicine, and this is used to be able to diagnose and the DSM-5 diagnosis manual. So we use this information to be able to identify whether you have a problem with drugs or alcohol and how it is affecting your life and what your needs are for you to be able to get back to work and function in a capacity where we can ensure that the public is safe. Many of you guys have very important jobs, and we need you out here, but we need you drug-free. We need you to make sure that the public is safe, and most of all, you need to be safe when you're on the road. So we have a really important job as a gatekeeper to ensuring public safety, just as police officers and law enforcement and politicians have their public servants. SAP providers are also substance abuse professionals, and we are acting on behalf of DOT Return-to-Duty Program Services as a public servant. So to answer the question, we are not able to tell you from a phone call how long it's going to take if you have a substance abuse problem. Most likely, if you know deep down inside that you have a problem and you're willing to accept that the SAP can work with you to make sure that you get what you need and still be able to work, be able to get back to work within a reasonable time while ensuring the public is safe. If you're just kind of using drugs, or you may have not known that you have consumed at least an illicit substance, and you just maybe need some education, then of course you can probably get going and back to work after you take an education class. And that has to be determined after an assessment has been made, so there's no answer to say how long it takes for everybody. It's different. I'll give you one example before I close out on this video. Just say that you ate a gummy, or you went to a store and you saw a CBD product and you were in pain, and you took the product, but you really never took it before. That's your first time taking it. Okay, that means that you probably need a little bit of education and knowledge about drugs and alcohol and how it can impact you and affect your life. Even though this is legal, if it has THC in it and you test positive on a test, you need to let your SAP provider know, so she'll be able to assess you at a level of care where you can get education. And that's pretty much it, and sometimes classes are 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, 24 hours. That SAP is going to assign you a level of care. You can return to duty, keep your head up, and go through the process. We are here to help so you can return to duty and provide for yourself and your family. Okay? I hope this video was helpful. Call for your free consultation. Contact Ralph Broussard, DOT Qualified SAP, 502-305-8858.